Today we're doing a short full body routine using the bar. Hi, I'm Jessica Valant, and I'm a physical therapist, women's health expert, and movement teacher, here to help you feel strong and safe in your body in all seasons of life. You can find many of my short routines right here on YouTube for my daily workouts, more home workouts, fitness routines, and podcasts. Check out the links below. For this full body routine today, we are using a bar. Now, if you don't have a bar at home, no problem. All you need is a chair or a kitchen counter or something like that that you can hold onto. You're also gonna need a light pair of hand weights. So anywhere between 3 and 5 pounds would be great. So grab those things and meet me right back here. All right, we're gonna start walking in place and we're gonna chat about bar just for a few minutes. So first thing is, you do not need to have been a dancer ever. I was never a dancer. I was not trained in dance. And I still love bar workouts. So what I really like about using the bar, or again, just a kitchen counter for these kind of moves, is that it works you in standing. It's gonna help to work your balance. We're gonna work leg muscles. We're gonna get into arms, and it does that in a way that makes you work in standing, which is really functional. It also is great for that lower body strength if you're not comfortable getting down on the mat. All right, so start to get your knees just a little bit higher. Nice deep breaths. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Bring the feet back down. All right, so facing to the side, I want you to place your right hand onto the bar. Again, chair, kitchen counter is great. And you're gonna turn your feet out with your heels touching, okay? Heels touching, feet are turned out. What you're gonna do is bend your knees and stand back up. So it's an inhale and an exhale. And I don't call this a squat, all right? We're not sticking our booties out behind us. You're staying upright. So you're straight up and down, all right? Now, when you stand up, left arm comes up. When you go back down, left arm down. Nice job. Exhale up, inhale down. And last 2 and 1. Nice job. Now, one more set of those, either exact same, or if you're comfortable with it, you're gonna come to what we call a high heel. You're gonna bring your feet a little closer. You're lifted onto your toes. Your heels are touching, and same thing. You go down and up. Inhale, exhale. But again, if that's not comfortable in your feet, you can just leave your heels flat. And 4, and 3, 2, 1. Nice job. We're gonna go to the other side. So left hand on the bar. And I'm just gonna stand right here so you can pretend the bar is on my left side. We're gonna bring the heels down. We're gonna go down and up. And if you don't need the bar at all for balance, you can just bring your hands to your waist and just practice a little bit of balance here. Nice. Now the arm. All right. So when you come up, the right arm comes up and then it lowers down. And just a little bit of a bend in that elbow. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Come in. We're gonna lift the heels up. All right. It's gonna be a little harder for balance if you're not using your bar here. When you're ready, down, up. Really feel like you're squeezing the legs together when you come up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. And come in. And I want you to grab one of your hand weights. All right. So again, you have a light weight here. I don't want you going heavier than 5 pounds. This isn't our progressive overload heavy weightlifting day. We're working bar. We're going lighter on the weights. So I have my right hand on the bar. I am back to the same position I was in. Turned out, heels touching. okay? We're gonna do the same thing, but now we have a weight. So I'm gonna go down and up. So you'll see I keep a little bend in the elbow. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Another set. And now we're gonna go high heel. Same thing. Inhale, exhale. Nice big squeeze at the top. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Now on this one, come down, stay here, and pulse. So my arm is out to the side. I'm pulsing my legs. Pulse. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up. Bring it in. Good job. Other side. Heels stay down for the first set. Inhale, exhale. So now we have a little bit of a flow going, okay? You know what's coming. So we're going to keep ourselves moving. 4, 3, keep that posture nice and tall. Nice job. High heel option when you're ready. So find that posture and balance first. Then down, up. Squeeze when you come up. 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Here we go. Come down and pulse. Pulse. Squeeze the heels together. 4, 3, 2, 1. Up and down. Nice job. Both weights, all right? So go ahead and grab both. And you're gonna stand with your feet wide apart. So we are still turned out. It's a 45-degree angle and your feet are wide. And you're gonna have your hands right at your chest and come down into a squat for me here. Again, you're not sticking your booty out behind you. You're straight up and down right here. And I want you to pulse down and down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up, do it again. Down, down. So your pulses can be really small or just be at the top. You don't have to go down so deep. Last 2, 1, stand up. Last time. And 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. Nice job. You're gonna keep both weights, all right? The left one is gonna stay down. The right one is gonna come right here. So my elbow's bent, my palm's facing forward. You're gonna come down, and now when you stand back up, the weight presses up and down. So think nice and deep. We're getting in nice work, not only for your thighs, here your quads, but your inner thighs are working. And then we're working into the shoulder. You're actually getting some good core work here as well. Last 2, 1, keep going. Other side. Nice, the arm comes straight up. And 4, and 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Back to center, hands together, down, last set of pulses. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. Nice job. We're gonna walk those feet in, and you can set your weights down, and then you're gonna turn and face your bar. So what we're gonna do here is you're gonna have the feet hip distance apart, toes facing forward, and raise up onto your toes and lower back down. Lift, lower, lift, lower. Last 2, last 1. Stay here. Bend your knees. Lower the heels, stand back up. Lift your heels, bend your knees, lower your heels, stand up. You see that? So again, my posture is straight up and down, okay? I'm not leaning forward, I'm not leaning back, and I'm working through those ankles. So here also, if you have any limitations, I know things like bunions or even toe fusions, ankle fusions can limit some of this. You can just keep your heels down. All right, listen up, we're switching directions. So stay here, knees are bent. Now lift your heels, stand up, lower your heels, bend your knees. Lift your heels, stand, lower, bend. And I'm just touching the bar really lightly. Last two. And one. Nice job. Just walk it out. So a little bit of walking or prancing here with your feet. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Keep your left foot forward. Right foot reaches back. Right heel down. Back knee straight. And we're just going to stretch that calf. Nice job. Step that right foot in, left foot back. Nice deep breaths. Nice job. Bring that foot back in. Arms reach out to the side. Inhale, reach up, look up, and exhale back down. And nice job. So that was a great introduction and a full body workout on barre. For the full length version of this workout and all of my workouts, you can come check out my app called Unlimited. The link is below. And if you do want to continue with barre, I also have a link for this exact barre that you can purchase for yourself at home. Again, otherwise just use what you have available to you. Keep moving your body, and I'll see you on your mat soon. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you never miss new releases. And here are a few recommendations for what to try next. See you soon.